Hello, my name is Geoff and I live in Steyning with my wife Sally. Sally and I moved into this old Victorian pub 12 years ago. It was drafty and cold with an ageing gas boiler and really leaky windows. We wanted to make the whole house more livable and also cut our carbon footprint. We were doing a big refurbishment, so we started with insulation. From top to bottom, we insulated everything we could get at. Our loft conversion included a thick layer of insulation between the rafters. The oldest part of the house has solid walls, so we added a layer of external insulation made of cork on the back of the house. And also, on the front of the house, we put a layer of internal insulation in our front room. We also added cavity wall insulation in the newer bits of the building where we had cavities. The extension we added on the side was heavily insulated all round, and wherever we had suspended timber floors, we lifted these and put a layer of insulation underneath. At the same time, we put in new double-glazed windows, a condensing boiler, and added a small wood-burning stove in the front room. This all made a big difference and cut our gas consumption nearly in half. 2 years ago, we went a step further and installed a heat pump. It was a bit of a challenge finding a space to fit the outside unit and also the internal water tank, but we managed to squeeze it in, and it's been working well ever since. We didn't need to change any of our radiators because we'd done a good job on the insulation first. Last autumn we managed to squeeze in some solar panels on the back roof. It's a bit shaded, but it covers most of our daytime use and exports any spare back to the grid. Since we're on Octopus, we get 15p per kilowatt hour for this, so it pays for itself quite quickly. The final step was to install an induction hob, which meant that last month we could disconnect our gas supply and stop paying standing charges, which felt really good. The net effect of all of this has been to cut our carbon footprint by around 89%, which is an even better feeling.